Hi guys, I'm Reggie Pascual, third-year student in Information Technology. I will be discussing about IPO tables, pseudocodes, and flowcharts. This video is brought to you by JPCS News Chapter. Okay, so sana may matutunan kayo. First, why do we need to learn designing ng algorithms? Well, as a programmer, ang mga algorithms na to, makakatulong sa atin para maging mas better, mas efficient yung ating program na gagawin. So we're going to start with IPO tables. Here it goes. IPO table. I stands for input, P stands for process, and O stands for output. I have given a simple problem. Make a program that will let the user input two numbers and output the sum, the difference, the product, and the quotient. So, ginawa ko na yung IPO table. Yung sa input niya, nag-declare ako ng first input will be num1. The second input will be num2. Sa process naman, dito, we perform the operations that we need. Sa output, dito natin ilalagay yung mga value na gusto natin makita ng user. Okay, so, actually, madali lang IPO table. So, ganun lang. Simple lang siya. We're going to discuss the second, the pseudocode. So, here it goes. Okay, pseudocode. Pseudocode, English-like lang siya. Mas madaling maintindihan. And, hindi na kailangan ng syntax rules as long as naiintindihan. Okay. Same problem lang din, like sa ating IPO tables. Make a program that will let the user input two numbers and output the sum, the difference, the product, and the quotient. Okay. To declare the start of the pseudocode, we put start. Then, we input number 1, number 2, and the operations that we need to perform is set. Here. And the output that we want the user to see, here is it. To declare the stop of the program, we declare stop. We use stop. Okay. So, ganun lang kasimple. Just a quick lesson ng pseudocode and IPO tables kasi mas maraming gamit ng flowchart. So, we're going to discuss flowchart. Let's go. Flowchart. Okay, flowchart. So, flowchart uses different kinds of symbols. These are the common flowchart symbols. The process. The process is an operator or an action step. This is a connector. A jump from one point to another. Decision. A question or a branch in the process, data inputs and outputs to and from a process, and terminator, start or stop point. So I'm going to show you how we implement this common flowchart. Okay, I'm going to perform a sample of a simple flowchart. So we have the same problem. Make a program that will let the user input two numbers and output the sum, the difference, and the product, and the quotient. So we use the terminator, put start, and data, input num1, input num2, and in the relation, in the process, here we perform the operations num1, num2, difference, num1, okay. Next is product. I'm using prod num1, quotient, to be quotient num1 divided by num2. Okay. The next, we output the sum output sum difference sum difference product quotient.
Big Snoop Dogg and Wiz Khalifa. See on the West Coast, I'm the big chiefer, the Grim Reaper. Maybe that bring me back. Yellow like still a logo in the bag. We banging that Taylor gang. Dub to your face, baby, till you say my name. Don't get your flick served. So much black and yellow, you would think I was from Pittsburgh. Injured, get churned.
Stop. The flowchart is done. Dito, pinakita ko na pwedeng paghiwalayin at pwede rin pagsamahin ang input and output. So, depende na lang kung saan nyo gusto. Okay. This is a simple program. I'm gonna show you a looping flowchart. Okay. So, this is a sample of a looping flowchart. So, the same flowchart that we had done earlier. Okay. So, ang pinagbago lang ay ito. This is for looping. Kung may if, for loop, while loop, or do, while loop. So, example to. Kapag nag-input ang user ng number, kung in-input ba niya ay character is either a word or a letter or a punctuation mark. Yan, mga ganon. Kapag no, tutuloy yung flowchart natin. So, kapag yes, is babalik siya sa start at magpapa-input ulit. So, this is called error trapping sa isang program. Kung gusto niyo na may connector, pwede din. It will be like ito. Tanggalin. I'm gonna put a connector para makita.
get your click served. So much black
Connector.
think I was from Pittsburgh. Inchurn, get churned.
So, yan. Ang connector, kapag mahaba na yung program, or kapag magulo, maraming looping, yan ang gamit ng connector. Mag-jump siya kung saan mo gustong pabalikin yung loop. So kapag nag-guess, if magiging parang portal key ang isang connector. Okay? So, ayun. Doon na natatapos sa ating flowchart, ITO table, and pseudocode tutorial. Sana may natutunan. Thanks!